Do you feel overwhelmed by the stresses of life? Is your New Year's resolution to go outside more just not panning out? Do you like birds?
If you answered yes to any of these questions, then Human Bird Feeder is for you.
For me?
Human Bird Feeder will provide your neighborhood birds with nutritious food and you with a close-up bird viewing experience that you won't want to miss.
Just fill Human Bird Feeder with the bird seed of your choice. Put it on. Okay, you can get it.
And stand as still as physically possible for several hours.
It's that easy.
Well, I just love Human Bird Feeder. It's the best part of my day. It's great.
Side effects of Human Bird Feeder may include muscle cramps, fatigue, concussions, and loss of limb. Be sure to check out our other amazing products, including Human Bird Bath and Human Bird House. And Human Bird Feeder is now at a bargain price of $29.99.
I can unleash my inner bird enthusiast for only $29.99.
Call 1-800-UNLEASH to get your Human Bird Feeder today. That's 1-800-865-3274.
Human Bird Feeder. Unleash your inner bird enthusiast.